متشکرم کنم دست شما در قربان شما مرسی گلبر خوب چطور بود؟ متشکرم مرسی متشکرم دست شما در
If you want to see the full experience, from the sizzle of the pan to that very first bite on the table and more mouth-watering Persian dishes, hey, don't miss this video. It's one you'll want to see. Come with us into a restaurant in Tehran's Grand Bazaar. Click the link in the description or right here on screen and join us for a delicious, authentic Persian food journey.